In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics repeated questions under classification of waves. Alright, so we have 3 repeated questions to attempt for this subtopic under waves. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, the electromagnetic waves that are sensitive to temperature changes are, we have option A to be ultraviolet rays, option B to be infrared rays, option C to be gamma rays, option D to be X rays. So guys, the correct option to this question is option B, which is infrared rays. Infrared rays are electromagnetic waves that are sensitive to temperature changes. So let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, which of the following waves can propagate through a vacuum? We have infrared waves, we have acoustic waves, we have high velocity sound wave, we have ultrasonic waves. So the correct option to this question is still infrared waves, which is option A. So infrared waves can propagate through a vacuum. Alright, so the last repeated question before I call it a class will be this question. It says, which of the following is not a mechanical wave? We have option A, water waves, we have option B, light waves, option C, sound waves, option D, waves on a string. So guys, the correct option to this question is option B, which is light waves. Light waves are not mechanical waves, they are transverse waves. Alright, take note of this particular one. I've often seen it repeated. So light waves are not mechanical waves in any form, they are transverse waves. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's call it the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure they are part of our channel membership by clicking the join button to become part of the community where you'll be receiving special information and simplify your academic work. Alright, so having done that, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.